Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily was very excited because it was her first day of school. But she was also a little nervous. She had never been to school before, and she didn't know what to expect. As she walked to school, she saw many other children walking with their parents. Some of them looked very nervous, just like Lily felt. But then she saw her best friend, Sarah, and they walked to school together. They talked about how excited they were to learn new things and make new friends, but Lily also shared some of her worries with Sarah. "I'm a little scared," she said. "What if I can't make any friends?" "Don't worry, Lily," said Sarah. "We'll make lots of friends together. And besides, everyone is new today, so we're all in the same boat." When they got to school, they saw many other children waiting outside the classroom. Lily and Sarah joined them, and they all introduced themselves. They talked about their favorite things to do, their favorite colors, and their favorite foods. Lily felt a little bit better as she realized that there were other kids who liked the same things as her. Then, the teacher opened the classroom door, and everyone went inside. The classroom was big and colorful, with many desks and chairs. The teacher introduced herself and welcomed all the children. She asked them to sit at their desks, and they all did. The teacher started to talk about what they would be learning in school. She talked about numbers, letters, and colors. Lily was very interested and listened carefully, but she was also a little bit worried that she might not understand everything. After the teacher's introduction, she asked the children to introduce themselves and tell everyone something about themselves. Lily stood up, told everyone her name, and said that she loved to draw pictures. She was a little nervous, but everyone was friendly and smiled at her. As the day went on, Lily and Sarah had so much fun learning new things and making new friends. They played together during recess and had a great time. When it was time to go home, Lily felt happy and excited. She knew that she would come back to school the next day and learn even more. The first day of school can be fun and exciting, but it's okay to feel a little bit nervous too. Everyone feels nervous sometimes, and that's normal. But once you get there, you'll see that it's not so scary after all, and that you can have a great time at school.